You like that, Pablo?
Oh, she loves it. Look at her.
She got her eyes closing up.
Oh, yeah. Oh, you love that.
I wish the lighting was better. The spoiled turkey. What, baby girl? Bravo! You just love all the attention. Come here, girl. She's a good turkey. She keeps pecking you when you do it. She lets me kiss her. But I usually kiss her on her head so she don't hurt me. Bravo. Is that your daddy? Yeah, it's the best turkey.
Good enough?
Look how jealous Percy is. Percy, are you jealous? Oh, it's okay, baby. We'll keep petting you. What? She said, Daddy, come back. She's a good girl. You falling asleep on Daddy? Is he holding you? She jumped up on the railing just for this. She just pecked you in the face.
I think she pulled one of my white hairs.
Oh yeah.
Ah!
She's preening you.
Thank you.
Ow, I bet that hurts.
It's okay.
You need longer hair.
It's alright.
She does that to my long hair. What, baby? Did Daddy stop snuggling you? You're a good girl. It's a good turkey. You're the best turkey. Look at your cute little feet. Can I pet your feet? I'm gonna pet your belly. Hey, baby girl. Come here. It feels good.